Filmora versus Premiere Pro. Which video editor should you use? Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without frustration or steep learning curves. Filmora offers simplicity, while Premiere Pro delivers professional power. Filmora and Premiere Pro are two popular video editing tools with different focuses. Filmora emphasizes ease of use and quick editing, while Premiere Pro is designed for advanced editing with extensive features and customization. The core difference is user experience versus professional depth. Filmora is a user-friendly video editor ideal for beginners and casual creators. It provides an intuitive interface with drag-and-drop functionality, making video editing accessible without prior experience. Filmora supports a wide range of formats and offers built-in templates, effects, and transitions to speed up the creative process. Its strengths lie in simplicity, fast rendering, and a gentle learning curve, allowing users to produce polished videos quickly. However, Filmora has limitations in advanced editing features, color grading precision, and lacks the deep customization options found in professional software. It also may not support complex workflows needed for high-end productions. Filmora is best suited for content creators, social media users, and small business marketers who want to create quality videos without investing significant time in mastering complex tools. For those prioritizing ease and speed over extensive control, Filmora delivers a balanced solution. Premiere Pro is a professional-grade video editing software widely used in film, television, and digital media production. It offers a comprehensive set of editing tools, including multicam editing, advanced color grading, motion graphics integration, and seamless Adobe Creative Cloud compatibility. Premiere Pro works on a timeline-based interface that supports complex workflows and high-resolution video formats. Its strengths include powerful customization, extensive third-party plugin support, and integration with other Adobe tools like After Effects and Photoshop for enhanced post-production. However, Premiere Pro has a steep learning curve, requiring time and dedication to master its features. It also demands higher system resources, making it less ideal for casual users or those with limited hardware. Premiere Pro is designed for professional editors, filmmakers, and content creators who require detailed control over every aspect of video production. If you need advanced editing capabilities and are willing to invest time in learning, Premiere Pro delivers unmatched flexibility and industry-standard performance. Comparing Filmora and Premiere Pro highlights a trade-off between simplicity and power. Filmora excels in quick edits, user-friendly design, and affordability, perfect for YouTubers or marketers needing fast turnaround without technical hurdles. Premiere Pro, on the other hand, offers precision editing, extensive effects, and integration with professional workflows, ideal for filmmakers or content producers working on complex projects. While Filmora limits customization and advanced features, Premiere Pro requires more time to learn and a stronger computer. For example, a social media influencer might prefer Filmora to produce engaging content efficiently, whereas a video editor working on a short film benefits from Premiere Pro's robust toolset. Choosing depends on your editing needs, experience level, and hardware capabilities. Choose Filmora if you want a straightforward, affordable editor with fast results and minimal learning, perfect for beginners and casual video creators. Premiere Pro is the best choice for professionals seeking advanced editing tools and full creative control. If you're committed to mastering video production and need industry-standard features, Premiere Pro delivers powerful performance that grows with your skills and project demands.